Density is quite possibly the fundamental aspect of materials science. Density is the culmination of atomic level principles of structure within any material and highlights a basic way in which materials are joined together. A more dense material tells us that there are fewer spaces between atoms and that the atoms themselves may be heavy, containing large numbers of protons and neutrons. Density is also an extremely simple property to calculate. The density of a material is the concentration of mass in a certain volume. Density is mass divided by volume. Density is given the Greek symbol rho, which is drawn as an italicized P, but as one continuous line. The unit for density is kilograms per cubic meters. However, the unit changes depending on what scale of unit you are using to measure the volume or mass. There is no definitive unit of density, as it is more useful to leave the definition flexible. The denser a material is, the heavier it is compared to a material of similar volume. If you take a cubic meter of water, this is heavier than a cubic meter of air. A cubic meter of lead is even heavier than a cubic meter of water. We do not use cubic meters very often, as they are very large. 1 cubic meter of water contains 1 ton of mass. Water is a very useful measure of density, because most living things on Earth have a very approximate density to that of water, as they are made mostly of water.